The Nissan Datsun 510 was introduced in August 1967, taking the automotive world by storm with its modern design and impressive performance. Born from the bloodline of the Datsun Bluebird, this car became a legend in and outside the North American market. In this episode, we'll discuss 10 surprising facts about the Datsun 510. Before we dive into facts, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Number 10. The Datsun 510 was famous in motorsports. Many racers used the Datsun 510 in the 1970s, competing against various powerful vehicles. It greatly impacted events like SCCA racing and the Trans Am series. Renowned racers like Bob Bondurant drove the 510 to many exciting victories. The 510 could handle excellently, winning the races. This made it a favorite among weekend racers too, with many fans still racing with it at local tracks and events today. It was competitive in the Trans Am series under 2500cc class, especially in the United States. It remains one of the most popular production cars in numerous SCCA amateur racing classes, partly due to Nissan Motor Corporation in the USA's commitment to providing an extensive selection of common replacement parts. The Datsun was also very competitive in the Australian Rally Championship, with outright and class wins throughout the 1970s and 1980s. Additionally, it's a legendary car that won the Ampol Trail and the East African Safari Rally in 1970. Number 9. It has a strong cultural impact and legacy. The Datsun 510 is not just a car, it's part of car culture in many countries and regions. It's loved by many, especially in Japan, as it helped bring Japanese cars into the spotlight in the United States in the 1970s. Many people modified the Datsun 510 for racing artwork and events. It has appeared in car shows and exhibitions and is celebrated for its design. Even today, the 510 inspires artists, builders, and old car fans worldwide. For this reason, the Datsun 510 endured long after its discontinuation. Another factor that contributed to its popularity was the affordable performance and interchangeable parts. One notable feature of early Datsun cars was the interchangeability of parts, allowing easy upgrades from the 1.6-liter L16 engine to the 2.0-liter L20B engine. The affordable performance and simple mechanicals helped the Datsun 510 win the hearts of many car enthusiasts. Number 8. The Datsun 510 is featured in the media. The Datsun 510 has appeared in movies and video games, making it famous. In the film Fast and Furious, a Datsun 510 is showcased, thrilling car fans everywhere. It has also appeared in racing games like Gran Turismo, where players can drive and customize their Datsun 510. These appearances help keep the car in the spotlight and introduce it to new fans. Many people who play these games or watch the movies develop an interest in the classic Datsun 510. Number 7. It's loved by collectors. Many people love bringing old Datsun 510s back to life. The excellent chassis and lively, rev-happy but pretty smooth engines make the car fun to drive without any penalties for practical use as a daily driver. Owners restore these cars by painting them, getting new parts, or fixing the engine. Many car lovers work together in clubs to help each other restore their Datsun 510s. It's not only fun but also helps keep history alive. Because of its legacy, collectors spend thousands of dollars to purchase this car. A Datsun 510 in good condition can sell for an average of $26,154. Number 6. It offered great performance for a compact car. The Datsun 510 offered great performance for a compact car since it could reach speeds of about 100 miles per hour, which is 161 kilometers per hour. The most famous 510 had a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, which gave it good acceleration. It produced 96 horsepower, helping the car go fast on city streets or highways. In addition to the powerful engine, the body was lightweight, making it handle very well while still maintaining superb gas mileage. Gearheads could also choose automatic or manual transmission, with the latter making driving more engaging. We hope you're enjoying this episode. Kindly hit that like button and subscribe as we unveil 5 more facts. Number 5. It was nicknamed the poor man's BMW. The Datsun 510 was called the poor man's BMW because of its affordability, stylish design, and performance. Mr. K, the first president of Nissan Motor Corporation USA, observed the German carmakers who were in a similar position to the Japanese and so was aware of BMW's struggles in the post-war era. He learned thereafter that the European and American car-buying public was responsive to cars designed to deliver excellence in handling as well as being economical and reliable. Mr. K influenced the design concept for the upcoming Datsun 510 model. The head of design, Kazumi Yatsumoto, took over the design of the Datsun 510, giving it a light and rigid unibody complemented by a fully independent suspension and sufficiently powerful SOHC engine that would make it a real driver's car. Number 4. The 510 was marketed with different names. Apart from being nicknamed the poor man's BMW, the Datsun 510 was marketed with different names in various countries. In Canada, it was marketed as the Datsun 1600, rather than using the internal 510 model code. The two-door sedan body style became popular and was imported into the US and Canada in large numbers for the next 5 model years. The Datsun 510 released to the North American market retained the name and had a Hitachi downdraft carbureted 1.6-liter L-series straight-4 engine with an advertised gross power of 96 horsepower. Other features included a claimed top speed of 100 miles per hour, front disc brakes and 4-wheel independent suspension, except the wagons, which used a rear solid live axle with leaf springs. South American versions of the Datsun 510 were delivered with OHV pushrod engines of the J-series variety and leaf spring suspensions. These cars were marketed as Datsun 1300 or Datsun 1500 depending on the engine size. In Taiwan, the 510 was assembled as the Yulong Bluebird 706, powered by the J engine and having leaf spring rear suspension. The Datsun 510 model name continued in Canada and the US from 1974 until 1981. The vehicle's badges were quite different from the original flagship 510s, with updated styling, solid rear axles and rectangular headlights. Number 3. It was offered in various body designs. The Datsun 510 had a neat and angular design and was available in different colors such as blue, red and green. Its boxy shape made it look unique. Moreover, it was available as a 2-door sedan, 4-door sedan, 2-door coupe, and 5-door station wagon. Another coolest feature was its spacious interior, which provided room for passengers and luggage. It had a simple dashboard and comfortable seats, making it great for long drives. Number 2, it had various powertrains. The Datsun 510 had a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, the most popular. However, there were other engines such as 1.3 liters, 1.4 liters, 1.5 liters, 1.8 liters, and 2.0 liters, in later models like the 1981. The engines would be mated to either a 4-speed manual transmission or an optional 3-speed automatic transmission. Power was always sent to the rear wheels. Number 1, the Datsun 510 had some tough competitors. The Datsun 510 had some tough competition back in the day. It could go against popular cars like the Volkswagen Golf and the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla was known for its reliability, while the Golf was known as a front-wheel drive, affordable and versatile car. The 510 was affordable and fun to drive, making it a smart choice for families. It also had other stylish features, giving it a special place in car history. Thanks for watching this episode. What do you know about the Datsun 510? Kindly share with us in the comments section below. Also, before you leave, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload another video.